Happy Tuesday, Anthony Speciale here with Speciale Analysis, unedited and on the edge of the market. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Today I want to jump in and look at Apple. I'm going to pull the chart up here and take a peek. Really what I want to go over with you guys is this was a great opportunity here, and some of you have been tipped off to it who have been on my email list or following me on social media for a while. Others of you that are maybe brand new have not yet so far. But these are the types of trades that we're putting out here in this free program. AnthonySpeciale.com is completely free. I am affiliated with Traders Agency if you're looking for paid services, but if you are just interested in getting raw, unedited content on the edge of the market, that's what AnthonySpeciale.com is for. It's just a way for me to give back. I struggled as a trader coming up to where I've become, and I'm trying to help others not have to struggle the same. So the way I trade is ultra conservative. I look for confirmations either based on daily or weekly settlements, and beyond that I also look for 1+% confirmations or 1+% buffers. And the reason I do that is, listen, the market doesn't move in perfect symmetrical shape, although it is fairly easier to read once you have the skill set and ability to do so. So what transpired here with Apple was simply a breakout. This candle here confirmed a breakout, but it did not confirm 1%. How do I know that? I measure from my channel structure to where the bar closed, and I'm a little short of 1%, maybe 0.87, we'll call it roughly, give or take. I want to see more than 1%. So what transpired from there? Well, the following day, we had received our confirmation. So we went to the close of this candle. Well, there we go. Now we have 2.91% confirmation. That, to me, means that there is plenty of conviction that the market is likely to continue in the direction that it's breaking out from. Is it a guarantee? Absolutely not. Are we always going to be right? Absolutely not. That's not the way trading works. The idea is to be consistent, meaning you're going to take a few losses, but you're going to take a lot more winners, and those winners need to be bigger than your losses. And this way, over time, you just become and remain profitable. And it's just a game of discipline and consistency from that point forward. So from here, we will measure our risk. We placed our stop about a hair below this previous candle here, and the reason we're using this area is this is where the sellers remained in control. It didn't allow it to break through, and this is where the buyers took over control. Price did puncture through resistance and did close above it. So this is our area of indecision. This is where the fight had occurred. Whoever won the fight, where that fight took place is where we want to ideally place our stop, because that's where the difference of buyers and sellers took over. So I placed my stop down here. And to my entry price, I have roughly about a 3.75% risk. So that's not too bad, on a quick little trade. So then what I do is I take from my entry price and I measure to my target. So I have about 8.14% there. I shave off a 1% buffer because I want to make sure that as price approaches it, that we're going to take our profit off before we actually hit the resistance itself. So we pull that off by 1 point, which puts us right in that area right there. And so we have more than 7% worth of opportunity as a reward. We had less than 4% of risk to take this trade. That gives us the A-OK to move forward. So we bought Apple right here, about 169. Obviously, as this trade transpired, our resistance continued to descend, meaning it got lower, lower, lower as the days progressed. So what did we do? We continued to move our target with that 1% buffer lower and lower and lower. So here's where our target ended up playing out, 178.50, where this trade finally had filled our low risk, high probability position. About 5.64%, let's call it 5.5%, in about 6 trading days. So that's not terrible. Most people are happy to see their portfolio grow 5% over the year. Now, yes, have we had a weird anomaly over the past couple years because of the COVID sell-off, the COVID recovery? Yeah. Is that traditional? No. What's traditional is about 5 to 7%. Imagine waiting all year to make 5 to 7% when you could make 5.5% roughly in a matter of just 6 days. So I wanted to really just take a moment today. I mean, again, this is an opportunity that some of you that have been with me and are opening and reading my emails and watching me on social media and following me on YouTube and things of that nature are seeing as they transpire and before they transpire. But for those of you who are new or have missed it, this is what my style trade setup looks like. And these are the trade setups that we're going to continue to analyze as we move forward. And my approach is to give you the opportunity as I see them. If for some reason the opportunity transpire, we'll circle back and of course just show you how things would have worked out. Are they going to win all the time? No. Are we going to win more often than we lose? Yes. And are we going to have bigger winners than we are losers? Also yes. So pairing those things together really gives you an incredible opportunity to be wildly successful over time. Trading is a journey. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. It's not a short-term endeavor. It's something that you do for a long time. And having that ability to have a skill set and discipline and consistency is really what makes a trader last a long time. And what I have set out to do is to join you on your journey. I want to be along your side. I want to answer your questions. I want to share with you my trade ideas. Of course, what you do with it is up to you. But I don't want you to be alone. And the reason I don't want you to be alone is because I was alone when I started doing this. And it wasn't a comfortable thing. So my wife and I have decided that we are going to dedicate, our lives, our futures, to helping others. And again, at this time, everything is completely free that I offer here at AnthonySpecial.com, Special Analysis. If you are looking for paid services, if you're looking for investment advisory services, if you're looking for trading services that are more in depth with live trainings and things of that nature, please see myself and my colleagues at Traders Agency. We do offer those things, but between now and then, everything that I put out here is absolutely free. So I hope you're enjoying it. And with that, if you can like it, subscribe to it, share it on your social media, it would be greatly appreciated. The more people I can help, for free, the happier I absolutely am. So with that, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow where we will cover another stock. Thank you again. I appreciate your time.